Today, we're diving into something pretty exciting. A first look at some of the new features we can expect from Samsung's upcoming One UI 7.0 update. If you're a Galaxy device user, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. We're taking a deep dive into the new Samsung Calendar app, and let me tell you, there are some impressive changes in store. Let's get into it. So the first leap of One UI 7.0 is here, and it's all about the Samsung Calendar app. We've seen plenty of leaks from this update already, with apps like Voice Recorder and Reminder also getting a sneak peek. But today, it's all about the calendar, and trust me, the redesign is noticeable. One of the standout changes in the One UI 7.0 Calendar app is the complete overhaul of the user interface. The app now looks more modern and polished, with a cleaner, more streamlined look. Gone are the clunky layouts, and in comes a more aesthetically pleasing design that will make you want to check your calendar more often. The new design isn't just about looks though, it's also about functionality. Navigating your schedule is smoother and more intuitive, so whether you're using the app for work, personal life, or just reminders, it's a lot easier to manage. Now let's talk about widgets. Samsung has given its calendar widgets a complete refresh in One UI 7.0. Whether you prefer the compact widget for quick access or the detailed one for a more in-depth view, these updates will definitely make your home screen feel more polished. The widgets now have a cleaner, more consistent style that fits well with the overall aesthetic of One UI. It's all about creating a seamless and cohesive experience across the system. Another new feature that's making waves is the revamped alarm and reminder backgrounds. Samsung has updated the visuals to make your alarms and full-screen reminders look even better. These aren't just cosmetic changes either. There's a real focus on making these features more visually engaging and easier to manage at a glance. The new backgrounds are more vibrant and stylish, which helps bring a little more personality to your day-to-day reminders. Customization has also received an upgrade in One UI 7.0. Now, when you're customizing alarm backgrounds, you'll see a new integration with the Gallery app. This is a small but thoughtful touch that makes it easier to pick the perfect image or background for your reminders and alarms. Samsung's emphasis on design consistency is clear as they continue to integrate apps and features in a way that makes your experience smoother and more connected. If you're eager to try out these new features right now, I've got you covered. The One UI 7.0 Calendar app is available to download as an APK. Here's how you can install it. 1. First, head over to APK Mirror and download the APK file. 2. Once the file is downloaded, use your Samsung My Files app to locate the file and begin the installation. 3. If you face any issues with installation, go into your device's settings, navigate to Security and Privacy, and disable the auto blocker to allow the installation to proceed. 4. And don't worry, if you don't like the new version, you can always uninstall it by long pressing the app icon in the app drawer and choosing the uninstall option. Remember, the app will work on Galaxy smartphones running Android 14 with One UI 6.1 or higher. So if you're on a compatible device, you're good to go. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. If you found this breakdown of the One UI 7.0 Calendar app helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tech leaks and updates. We got plenty more in store, so make sure you're subscribed for all the exclusive content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512 gigabytes and 1 TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM in the base model, with a 16 gigabytes RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 gigabytes/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.